Okay, legends, this is the exact 3-step plan you can use to make money on Instagram with less than 1000 followers. So let's get right into it. As you can see here, it's a 3-step plan. It's quick, it doesn't take long. In order to start making money on Instagram, you first need to get something that you can offer to people. Most of you already have this, but for those who don't, you can sell info products, digital products, services, brand deals, and the list goes on and on. After you identify what you want to sell, niche down. This is crucial. By niching down, you actually attract qualified customers, and I'll explain in a minute what does that mean. But niching down means you only post your reels and post on a certain topic. You're not posting your family, your travel journey, your motivational quotes, and you're not posting fun or trendy content. What does that mean? Let's say you're in a fitness niche. You should only post about fitness and nothing else besides that. What does that do? It shifts your algorithm to show your content to people who are only interested in your niche. Why is this good, you ask? It's good because you get qualified followers and you don't accumulate random followers with a wide spectrum of interests. Automatically, after you niche down, you will have more engaged followers, more story views, and people will trust you more. So that leads us to step 2. Step 1 was simple, just niche down on whatever topic you have, just post that topic and nothing else. In step 2, you will need to make this important change in your content. That change is crucial for people to trust you and later on buy from you. That change is posting 4 types of content to your profile. Authenticity content, head talking videos, storytelling, random things that happened in your life. For example, you helped a granny cross the street or something, and you make authenticity with it because people will trust you more when they see real life behind the curtains. So you actually show them your real life and they get closer to you, as on YouTube. Let's take for example your favorite YouTuber. You literally know everything about him and you feel close to him, you feel like you know him, and that's because he shows everything he does in his day, in his life, in his month, and he actually shares everything with you. And if you do it with short form content, you will actually make people trust you and build a strong bond with them. Next up, value content. As much value as possible. This is very important, and without this, nobody will trust you. And actually, nobody will follow you because you don't have value. So you need to share value. It's very important. Lifestyle content, self-explanatory, a little flex here and there to make your audience actually see that your product works, or to just present your product in a brighter way. Results content, posting your achievements, others people's achievements, and testimonials. This is very important because they actually see what you have done for other people, what you can make them do, and what they can expect from you if they buy your digital product or your service or something. So they are more likely to convert. And the biggest mistake I see creators make is they just post value. They don't post lifestyle, they don't post authenticity content, they don't even post results. The worst thing you can do is only post value. Nobody cares about your value if you don't have to show anything else. People need to see some proof that that value works, and they need to connect with you even more, so you post authenticity content, for example. And without these 4 types of content, you won't succeed on social media, period. And that leads us to step 3, very easy step. Now when you have people that trust you and you have some qualified followers, it's time to earn money. So how do we earn money? You can earn it with all sorts of stuff, like selling your course, selling your consultations, selling your info products, selling your services, being contacted to do a brand deal, and so on. I won't be getting into that, how we can set up something to sell. That's for another video. But by now your Instagram is set for making money. And trust me, you will see a 300% difference in the way you make money only through your personal brand. And with only a month of doing it, I've signed 3 clients paying me thousands of dollars. And they literally reached out to me. I didn't reach out to anyone. They just fell from the sky and messaged me. Because I set up my personal brand that way. Plus, on the other hand, my content creation course boomed because people trusted me more and have seen that I actually make results with my content, and they bought, and that actually made me much more money. And if you want a totally free content creation course that I made for you, click the link in the description. It is very useful. Trust me, it will help you. And of course, subscribe to skyrocket your content creation and your online presence. See you in the next one.